The report by the Human Rights Watch is a response to concerns raised over the March 2008 Okoa Maisha operation that was carried out jointly by the military and the police in Mount Elgon. The operation led to the torture and killing of several suspected members of the Sabaot Land Defense Forces. The SLDF, as was commonly known, was blamed for killing and kidnapping of residents as they purportedly fought for the land rights of the Sabaot in Mount Elgon. In the course of its insurgency, SLDF is said to have killed over 700 people. During the military-led operation, some 250 suspected members of the militia group were killed. The Human Rights Watch, in a new report titled "Waiting for Justice in Kenya's Mount Elgon," says crimes against humanity were committed during the course of the conflict and action should be taken against the offenders.
In the continued absence of credible national investigations, we also encourage the ICC prosecutor to analyze whether crimes committed in Mount Elgon fall under the jurisdiction of the ICC. And the prosecutor should consider opening additional investigations in the Kenya situation to bring to account the people most responsible.
When the red flag was raised by local and international human rights groups over the atrocities, the army and the police at the time claimed it was conducting internal investigations in the conduct of the units operating in Mount Elgon, but ultimately dismissed the allegations of abuse, and no member of the security forces were ever held accountable.
Haki itendewe. Hata sheria inasema ya kwamba haki ipewe kwa kila mmoja. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba kwamba haki yangu iweze kutendeka.
We don't think that the victims should have to wait any longer for justice. The TJRC is part of the process. It's not enough. With over 1,000 people dead and 300 people missing, the government should be doing something today.
The rights group is faulting Kenyan government officials for blocking the families of those who went missing for accessing compensation, which could easily be accessed through official death certificates.
Hata leo hii kesi yangu iko kotini na bado sijapewa haki yangu. Sasa ni muda wa miaka 4 sasa imepita na bado sijatendewa chochote.
In the absence of credible national investigation, the Human Rights Watch recommends the ICC prosecutor analyzes whether crimes falling within the ICC jurisdiction were committed in Mount Elgon and consider additional investigations into the Kenyan situation to bring to account the people most responsible. Shem, Oluchiri, KTN Prime.